Hello everyone, it's 5th February. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. On the first page, we have energy and critical minerals in focus as Jay Shankar holds talks in Washington. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have tech stocks see sharp fall as US startups new AI tool triggers fear. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Going forward, we have NDMA's first ever guidelines for identification of disaster victims. Again, very important for disaster management perspective. Moving forward, we have Mumbai-Pune expressway gridlock. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Then we have the editorial page where we have UGC regulations on caste are narrowly framed. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have for India, Pakistan, peace is not weakness, dialogue is not defeat. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have moving forward, we have the economy page where we have with 7 new corridors, India will be 100% Atmanirbhar in making bullet trains. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Moving forward, we have India-US trade deal to accelerate capital formation. Again, very important for economy as well as international relations perspective. Then we have sustained double-digit growth for India, possible see some money, again very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have Russia, Ukraine hold fresh US brokers talk in UAE. Then we have Trump says he discussed Iran with China's Xi. Then we have House of Dynamite, last US-Russia nuclear pact to expire. Then we have Israel kills 21 including women and children, says Hamas violated the deal. Again, all these things are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the explained page where we have why carbon capture is key to achieve zero net goal. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have Iran is of much greater consequence than Venezuela. Again, very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.